It bitch hard. This beside that motherfucker. Yo, what it do, YouTube? Welcome back. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, we just got this steering wheel installed, man. Y'all ain't ready for these little YouTube videos, man. That big gas, boy.
Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright, YouTube, I forgot to show y'all how the tilt stick out. See, they stick out literally right on the name, and they hugging, you know what I'm saying? The diffuser. Stick right at the side of the name, and they hugging the diffuser. Yeah, it's a real clean look, man. It's crazy. I just hit my head on my garage. Don't leave me, baby. Don't leave me. Don't leave me, baby. Oh, you got to leave me. Why you got to leave me? Like somebody got in that motherfucking base model and thought they was in the Hellcat Durango. That motherfucker. Oh. Alright, what's up? What it do, YouTube? Man, do y'all know what this is? I'm gonna say fragile on it now. Man, it's the steering wheel, man. This is the LED steering wheel, man. Carbon fiber steering wheel. This is a custom steering wheel that I had to wait to be made. Man, I've been waiting a whole almost 2 months for this thing, man. Stay tuned for the unboxing, y'all. This shit gonna be crazy. LOC fam, man, I had to take a quick peek, man. I was just very anxious, you know what I'm saying, to see how this shit look. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm ready, boy. Hey, LOC fam, bro, we definitely hitting 100K this year, man. I ain't giving up on y'all, man. I just took a little break, but I'm back, and I'm finna be dropping every day for y'all. I love y'all, man. I really love doing this for y'all and everything, like, if it, like, I swear, if it weren't for YouTube, like, I probably would have been chilled and laid back, you know what I'm saying, and did other things and stuff like that. But y'all really, you know what I'm saying, y'all commenting and all that stuff matters to a YouTuber. Y'all know what I'm saying? Like, just because y'all watching the videos and all that, it really ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? It made people just be like, okay, well, type on. But when y'all comment, it don't matter if it's the emojis, y'all put some heartful stuff, the art and all that stuff, it really makes a YouTuber like feel good, smile, whatever, you know what I'm saying? It does something to some YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it definitely puts a smile on my face knowing the jaw be turned when I'm doing stuff, you know what I'm saying, out here, and y'all like seeing me happy, y'all like seeing me do good, you know what I'm saying? This is how you know you got a loyal fan base, and I really like appreciate y'all for that. Like, I'm dead serious, man, and that's why I ain't giving up on y'all. Like, I don't care how far I get, you know what I'm saying, in life, I ain't giving up on y'all, man. I definitely ain't finna be like no other YouTuber and get bougie on y'all, man, for real. LOC family, I love y'all. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. All right, man, it's almost that time, man. It's a steering wheel right here, y'all. Boy, I can't wait to get this thing on, man. You got a new one. This shit is beautiful. This thing got real carbon fiber on it. You got an LCD screen up there, man, for you to look at whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to the speed, the coolant temperature, oil temperature, I think tire pressures. I know it's RPMs for how much power you pushing out when it comes to torque and all that stuff. So yeah, horsepower and all that. So yeah, this is gonna be crazy, man. This is gonna be a very big upgrade for the car, for the Redeye. bit look crazy for no steering wheel on that bit. I take the shifters off. But they got headlights done on that bit. Red eye sign lighting up, man. Stop playing. But Cam got that demon hawk. That motherfucker hard. Yes, that's the matte black, man. Just like my shit. The red accents and shit. His shit hard as fuck. Demon hawk. Ooh, that bitch smashed. That bitch hard. This, beside that motherfucker? Come on now. The matte black red eye, the matte black demon hawk. That bitch pressure.
I'm not flat that. What? My flathead up there?
Nah, just your hat.
You talking about DJ?
Mm-hmm.
And don't be talking about a bitch ass thing. Yeah.
How long y'all let this up?
Shit. Unfortunately, we're gonna be here for a minute.
What happened?
Manager working.
Did the lights come in?
The light for what?
You told me the damn lights.
Oh, for your
Up here.
Yes, goddamn, man, I ordered some other. Oh yeah, the what we doing about the bumper all the time? I wanna take that off. So we spray paint that shit. Like, you know how to take the bumper off?
What, the back one? Alright.
Slow down.
Like you said, it's his left side every fucking time.
You got something to roll up in?
Hell no, you know his dad don't.
Do I want to go to the store?
I can't see a bitch ass thing. You see a light.
No weed tonight.
See a light. Oh, this nigga trying to fucking record.
Your light in your face.
A little more?
Yeah, he said you fucking up. You better get right. Yeah. YouTube is life.
70,000 people are watching.
Yeah. They gonna be in the comments. Hey, Chris don't know what the fuck he doing.
He finna blow some shit up.
Hey man, shut the fuck up.
They close at 10
He
o'clock.
finna break your shit. You ain't hear what you said. That boy said I just take it. Yeah.
Fuck, bro, man.
Put the stars in the same hole.
You get tired. You doing them bitches for a second. You get tired of looking at them bitches.
I know.
Bro. That shit-
That's why I don't do them shits no more.
Good God.
I do not do them shits anymore. I did 20 stars and nigga said, alright. I'm gonna do my car and that's the last stars I'm doing.
Okay.
What you got done to that motherfucker? Why it sound up like that? It sound like it was finna break.
Y'all ain't ready for these little ass YouTube videos, man. That be gas, boy. Yo, what it do, YouTube? Welcome back. It's the LLC family. If you don't already know, subscribe if you're new to the channel. But yeah, we just got this steering wheel installed, man. When I tell you I love this thing, I love it, but like, that's crazy. This shit lit as hell. Damn. Bro, this shit is lit as fuck. This bitch lit, boy. Nigga don't fuck around, do it. That bitch gonna stand in the red fucking with me. Hey, y'all, let me know what y'all think about the steering wheel, though. But I just love the curves of this shit. Like, bro, this is some high quality ass steering wheel, bro. I swear. And it feels so good, bro. It really feels like a racing steering wheel. Like, the flat bottom, that shit feels so good, bro. Like, what? It's like every curve you grab on, it's like you able to just turn it and grab it the way you want, bro. I can drive it any kind of way I want to, bro. It's like with the stock steering wheel, it's just straight. Bro, that bus just hit the curve hard as fuck. But the stock steering wheel is just straight round like a regular steering wheel. Well, the bottom is a little, y'all see the stock steering wheel, how I had it. Well, it's in my trunk right now, but y'all see them. Y'all know how they look. Y'all, I'm pretty sure whoever watch my channel, y'all watch like people YouTube channels with Hellcats. Y'all see it got like a little baby. It got a baby flat bottom. Like it's like flat a little bit, but it's rounded off too at the same time. This is just completely flat, like completely flat. But yeah. But other than that, the whole steering wheel is just a straight round steering wheel. And it don't have no curves or no turns, no grab points on it or nothing. Like you just, wherever you grab it, it feel the same everywhere. So you ain't gonna have no favorite place to hold it at. Like this, I don't know. I gotta find out like where it's gonna be at. Cause since I done came from Atlanta, I'm back in Jackson now. But since I done came from Atlanta, like it's like shit. It's like everywhere I grab on it feel good. And then the heated, like okay, this is a heated steering wheel too, y'all. This is why it took me so long to even think about changing my steering wheel, because it's like everybody's on out and seen they lose their heated steering wheel, bro. And I went with that. Like I like the functions of the car, bro. Shit, that's crazy. But yeah, I like the functions of the car, bro. I couldn't change it just to have a new steering wheel, man. So yeah, but I had found this company, man. You know what I'm saying? All you do is look around. I found this company. I'll put their link in the description for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they do non-heated and heated. I think the non-heated just take a little longer to make, cause I put this order in 2 months ago, bro. That bit say it's gonna be like 3 weeks. Literally, that's what they say. That bit took over a month. That bit took 2 months. So yeah, just be mindful of that. But that's crazy. Alright, what to do, YouTube? I'm in the garage right now. I'm finna clean the cat. This shit dirty as hell right now, man. Cat filthy right now, boy. Like, it's bad. Look at all this. I don't even know where all this stuff came from. I was driving normal as hell today. This side ain't all that bad. So I must have ran through something on the road or something like that. I know this came from coming from the A, all the bugs and stuff that's on the front bumper. All that's gonna come out though. It ain't damaging the wrap or nothing like that. LOC, y'all know what's going on. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the family, man. You know what I'm saying? We going up over here. Y'all see that clear hood? Y'all see the clear hood, man. Stop playing. This shit LOC, man. Alright, YouTube, the cat is all washed up. LOC fam. I will show y'all it in the morning, because it is nighttime. That's why I came out here to clean it for tomorrow. But yeah, the cat all cleaned up, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just drying a little bit, but it's taking a little longer because it's in the garage. But I got the dry rag, so yeah. We good, man. I'm gonna show y'all in the morning though. Or tomorrow, whenever I come out. Alright, LOC. It's how I look at night in the cockpit. Yes, sir. That thing look crazy. It looks so beautiful in here at nighttime, bro. It look good as hell, man. So y'all seen the shooting stars go off just now? Dang.
Boy, that bitch blurry to the motherfucker. Y'all want to see that? You do something. Y'all want to see something? Hold on. Take off, man. I want to see you take off. Yeah, he come up. Get active in the hood. You already know how we do it. He got it. He got it. He finna get active. It's crazy.
Damn. That bit went stupid. All the way down there though, Tree. All the way down there, that bit went crazy.
Yeah, no brakes, man.
My stunt driver don't play, that bit went stupid.